What if I told you that right now, people are using free AI tools to create passive income while they sleep? Even if you're not tech savvy, even if you're over 50, it's possible. In this video, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly AI tools that can help you start building a smart income stream, with no products, no camera, and no experience needed. Let's start with the brain behind it all, ChatGPT. This free tool can write blog posts, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, emails, anything. People are using it to build entire businesses, blogs that earn with affiliate links, ebooks to sell on Amazon or Etsy, social media captions for clients, all written by AI in minutes. Just tell it what you want, and it delivers. Next, we have Pictory AI. This tool turns text into full YouTube videos. You don't need to be on camera or say a word. Just paste in your script, and Pictory creates the visuals, voice, and everything. People are using it to launch faceless YouTube channels like this one, and get paid with ad revenue and affiliate links. Now let's talk design. Canva is your all-in-one graphic studio, no design skills needed. Use it to make YouTube thumbnails, digital products, Pinterest pins, even workbooks to sell online. It has free templates and AI-powered tools built in, so anyone can create content that looks like a pro. Want to add voice to your videos or start a podcast without ever speaking? Use 11 Labs or Wondercraft to generate realistic, AI-powered voiceovers, in your chosen tone, language, and speed. Perfect for YouTube, audiobooks, or podcasting, completely hands-free. Finally, we have Notion AI. Think of it as your personal assistant. It helps plan your content, organize your ideas, brainstorm titles, or even write to-do lists. Many creators are using it to stay focused and consistent, because consistency is what leads to real income over time. These tools can automate your income, save time, and help you build something real, even if you're starting from scratch. You don't need to be young, tech-savvy, or have a big budget. You just need a system, and I'll show you how, right here on Automate and Elevate. If this helped you, subscribe and let's build your next income stream together.